Hi students, last class we discussed about the distance from the equator also influenced by climate condition. In this class we are discussing some of the factors influencing the climate of in one particular region. Some other factors. Now we are discussing one by one. Okay, already in last class we discussed in that first one, distance from the equator. Now we are discussing another point, distance from the sea level. This is one of the important factor influencing climate condition. Okay, in summer season they are given in reader book and also some of the examples. Now that only I am saying, in summer season, in summer land became hot. If hot like of temperature in facing by land, in the time water body expressing cold temperature. In winter season, land expressing cold temperature. In that way, in that time, in oceans or water body expressing warm temperature, means hot temperature. These are one of the factor influenced by climate conditions. Means in summer season land expressing hot temperature, in the time water body expressing cold. In winter season the land will face or the expressing cold temperature, in the time water body expressing by hot temperature. So these like water body also influenced by climate conditions. So in that based means you can see land and water body both also in the same time they are not expressing same climate condition. There is some of the difference. So in that based, in that place, which are the place located in coastal region, means water body, near to the water body. For example, in our Karnataka, nearest place is water body, nearest place located is Mangalore or Udupi or North Canara. These are the places always expressing the temperature is mild climate, means moderate temperature. In summer season, in that place expressing very high temperature. Same way, in winter season, in that place expressing very cold temperature, means they are not getting that much of temperature. Temperature is very low because of influencing of water body. So now we understood that means one of the important factors influencing our climate conditions. Okay, next, in that based, next one point also they are mentioned in your reader book. This also influencing our climate condition, that is height above the sea level. Okay, when we are going higher and high, for example, you are climbing the mountains. When you reach the top of the mountain, in that place always expressing high pressure, means so much of winds. We cannot see that much of temperature. When you are coming down, mountains to down, lower and lower altitude, down by down, in that place we are getting high temperature because of the winds, blowing of winds is very low in lower altitude. But in higher altitude, the winds blowing is very high. So we are getting low temperature in when you are going higher and higher altitude. That only they are saying height above the sea level. For example, in your Chikmagalur, I think you all already saw the mountain, one of the important mountain, that is Mullayanagiri. When you are on top of the mountain, we are getting so much of winds. Means we are getting the temperature, we are feeling like a cold because of winds is blowing very fast and pressure is very high. But when you are coming down, that much of winds we are getting, that much of pressures we are getting, no. Means this is also one of the important reason, the factors of climate conditions. Okay, next, Same way, another one point, that is winds. Winds also one of the important point, that one expressing are factors of climate condition. Sometimes clouds, winds is formed based on the local temperature. For example, just you have to observe it. Sometimes Chikmagaluru is getting very cold temperature in a sometime, in a particular time, but in the same time we are taking any other place, for example Shimoga, in that time you are not getting that much of winds or cold temperature, because of one of the important reason is winds. Winds also one of the important factor that is influencing by our climate condition. Okay, I will say another example. For example, nowadays, now is one of the new season is started in our India, that is monsoon season. Now we are getting very cold like of temperature, means winds is blowing. In that winds we are feeling like a very cold, because of these winds formed in Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. So that's why we are getting a very cold like of temperature or climate condition. At the same time, in summer season, once again winds is originating not in oceans, that winds is originating in North India or in desert regions. So in that time, what we are getting winds, in that winds we are not getting cold temperature, that is very hot like of temperature. So now we understood winds also one of the important factor that one influencing by our climate condition. Now we understood. For example, summer season and monsoon season. Monsoon season, winds originating in Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So we are getting cold winds, means cold temperature, not that much of high temperature. But in summer season also we are getting winds, but that winds originated from North India, not in oceans. So we are getting hot like of temperatures. Okay, now we understood. Okay, next one, humidity. Humidity also one of the important factors influencing by our climate conditions. For example, what is mean by humidity? I already said, the content of water vapors in a air. What winds is blowing, in that winds, if you are getting cold like of feelings we are getting, means that is a humidity level is very high. But in that winds, what winds is blowing, in that blowing winds, if is a very hot, so we want to think that humidity level is very low. This is also one of the important factor influencing by our climate conditions. Okay, now you want to see one of the important factors that is influenced by humidity, that is the temperature of the sun. For example, humidity level very low in equatorial zone, but humidity level we can see very high in frigid zone because of the factors of or influence of sun. Sun rays mainly focusing by only equatorial zone, not in frigid zone, north or south. We are discussed in that one in last class in only. So in that based, humidity also one of the important factor influencing by our climate condition. Okay, last one they are given. Last one point. This was one of the important factor. Nowadays, these only main factors influencing by our climate condition. That is influence of human beings, means we. What we are doing contribute to our environment. That was one of the important factors. So changes of climate condition. One is deforestations. What we are doing, we are cutting the trees because of we need money or we need some of the satisfaction. So what we are doing, we are damaging our environment. Not only this one, we are doing pollution of our environment. There are different types of pollutions. You already discussed that one. Different types: air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution. There are different types of peoples. they're modernized, they're developed. They want to become economically developed. So they're using so much more, they're using our environment. So this is also one of the important reason, the changes of climate condition. Now we can see in that based only, when we want to get summer season, in that time we are not getting summer season properly. When we want to get rainy season, in that time we are not getting rainy season properly. When we want to get winter season properly, in that time not coming. Because of influence of human beings. Not means human beings means not others, we also. We also one of the important reason, the influence of our climate conditions. So now we want to understand this, like any climate is changed in these recent days means one of the important reason is we. Okay, next. Now we understood there are important factors influencing by climate condition. One is distance from the equator. Second one, distance from the sea. Next one, height above the sea level. Next, winds, humidity, and last one, influence of human beings. Now you understood the factors of climate condition. Okay, last, in our earth, based on the climate condition, they divided as a 6 types of zones based on the climate condition. Based on the temperature, they divided as a 6 type. Now I will saying only names, because of next chapters one by one we are discussing in this about only. So I will say only names. One is tundra, second one is equatorial, third one tropical, next one temperate, next one desert, last one Mediterranean. Okay, one is tundra, second one equatorial, next one temperate, next one is tropical, desert, last one is Mediterranean. Okay, in that 6 zones or 6 regions, how we can find out the climate condition or weather condition? These are the factors we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.